Good morning, my dear kids. I, Sonia Grover, again here to learn with you. Uh, Today we will learn the concept of concatenation. What is the meaning of concatenation? Means when we want to join the strings together. For this, I have made a project. I am showing you. I am writing here name Sonia. My favorite color is suppose red. My hobby is reading books. I am reading books like this. I'm submitting it. Look at this. My name is Sonia. My favorite color is red. Means fill in the blanks is filled with that I am giving in this input area. Whatever I am giving in this input area, it is stored in this text area. Look at this. I'm again running it. I am writing here Mohit. Suppose writing color is yellow. Playing football. Now I'm submitting it. Look at this. Now my name is here Mohit and favorite color is yellow, and look at this, playing football. Means I want to join this string, this text with the variable value. Mohit is a variable value and this color is also variable value. For this I will create a new project. Look at this. I'm going in app lab. I will first of all I will change the background color of this. I will choose theme watermelon. Then I will take 3 text inputs here like this and 1 button, then 1 text area. Now I am clicking on this text input 1. I am writing here enter name. Means user will enter his or her name. In this text I am writing here favorite color. User will write his or her favorite color. Then in third user will write hobby. Okay. Now this button is submit button. I am writing here submit. In this text area what I will write? I will write my name is dash, my favorite color is dash, my hobby is dash. If I want to increase the size, then you can increase the size also. I am increasing the size by 18. Okay. Now this blank will be filled by these values, that when you will enter these values. We are learning the concept of concatenation. I am writing one label here. What we are doing today? Concatenation. I am increasing the size of this label also. If you will, yes, I am removing this height and width. It will automatically now change. Yes, now come to this coding portion. I will take 3 variables because I want to store the values of name, color and hobby. For this I will go in this variable section. For declaration I will choose where for declaring the variables. I need 3 variables here. First I am taking a name. Third I am taking color. Second color. Third I am taking hobby. Like this. Okay. Now when I am submitting on this button, then these values will be come in this fill in the blanks. For this I will go in on event ID. When I am submitting on this button, then check the ID of this button. Go in design section. Look at this. The ID of this is button 1. Now I will choose button 1 here. After this, I will assign the value to these variables. For this assigning the values, I will use this assignment. First is name. Be careful when you are writing the variable name. N is capital, AM is in small case letter, then color, then hobby, like this. Okay. Now I want to get a value from this text input. For this I will use get input. Get input, get text means this one, get text. Get text, here get text, and then get text. Name will come from this. Look at this. What is the ID of this text input? This is text input 1. Color ID is text input 2. Hobby ID is text input 3. Look at this. When I am clicking on this, right hand side properties will appear. You know that. Then you can check the ID of these text inputs. In this way, first I will take text input 1, then text input 2, then text input 3, like this. Okay. Now I want to set the text of this text area. For this I will take set text. Which ID I want to set? This. Go in design section, check this ID. This is text area 1. Now I want to set the ID of this is text area 1. Now what I want to write here, remove this. I am writing here my name is. After this I want to concatenate the string with the variable value. Then you will use this plus symbol. Plus is used for joining the strings together. And then variable name is name. That is, then again plus symbol for concatenation. After this I will write my favorite color. My favorite color is, then double quotes. After this there is a need of concatenation of one variable, that is color, then plus sign. After this double quote start again. Now you will write my hobby is, like this. Again double quotes close, plus variable name is hobby. H is capital in this case, you know that. Now you can check in show text also. You can check it like this. My name is in double quotes, then plus, then name is variable, then plus, then my favorite color is, that is in double quotes, plus color is a variable, then my hobby is double quotes, then plus this is a hobby is variable name. If you want some space after name, after is, then you can put space like this. Yes, like this. You can write some space in between these double quotes to represent your text properly. Now come to this show blocks. I am running this. Enter your name. I am writing here Sonia. Favorite color is suppose yellow. My hobby is reading books, like that. Now I am submitting it. Look at this. My name is Sonia. My favorite color is yellow. My hobby is reading books. In same way you can check for other input. Mohit, I am checking here red, then I am writing here playing football. Then I am running it. Yes, my name is Mohit, my favorite color is red, my hobby is playing football. In this way you can understand the concept of concatenation. I hope you have understood this what we had done today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.